Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create an Xbox account. So if you want to create an Xbox account, first of all you have to open up a browser. For now I'm choosing the Chrome browser. Open up your Chrome browser and then search for create a Xbox account. After searching for that, tap on the second option, create with Xbox. Then here you can find sign in and create a free account. Tap on create a free account and then you have to enter your email address, or you can also enter your phone number. So I'm choosing my email address. So after entering your email address, tap on next and then you have to create your password. So after creating your password, tap on next and then you have to enter your first name on the first blank and then last name in the second blank. So after choosing a name, you have to enter your date of birth. So after entering your date of birth, it will send you a code in your email address which you have to verify. Enter the code that you have received on your email address and then tap on next. So after entering your 6 digits code, you have to pass this authentication, and now you have to choose the dice which has the same icon facing up. So after verifying that, you have successfully created your Xbox account. So this is how you create your Xbox account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.